Only in America. Oh my gosh. So we went to Chick-fil-A for lunch and I was shooketh to see that there are people outside taking orders. So by the time the cars get to the drive-thru window, they just pick up their food. I've never seen that in my life, only in America. The cars were wrapped around the building. So we went to Florida. For the 5 people who watches my video may have already noticed that I've done a fry fishing festival in Florida. So clearly it took forever. We were supposed to leave at 5:30. We didn't leave till 8. We didn't get to Florida till midnight. And then it took a little bit of time for our bags to come out. So clearly it's the next day and we decided that we wanted to go to Hobby Lobby only because I've heard people talk about Hobby Lobby and I just want to see what it is. To me, it's a big ass Michael's with more variety or different options, a few different options. There's nice decor pieces here and there. Those flowers are giving funeral vibes, but you know, funeral vibes all the way. Checking out the cushions. Not that you can't see that I'm checking out cushions. I don't know why I'm telling you this. These cushions I've seen in Target or something very similar and they were cheaper. And they're cheaper in Hobby Lobby. And stuff all year round. Yes. These are the things that gets me excited. Anything kitchen. See everything in America. What kind of big old tea? Why is this cup so big? Why is this cup so big? Damn. Some says sugar. Oh, they're so nice. I can't even use chopstick, but I'll just buy this because it's cute. So we decided to go to a little food festival, like a pop-up shop food festival in the city. We went to Wynwood. And the sun, oh, jeez, no. When I tell you the sun, it's like we were thawing out because we're not used to that kind of heat in Canada. Oh my God, it was so hot. It was so hot. Maybe I should say it one more time. It was so hot. Hot it was. Anyways, we didn't stay a long time because we couldn't handle the heat. We just had one food item and something to drink, and then we had to book it because the heat was too much. So after all that complaining about how hot the sun was, we still did not go home. We were on the road dipping and doing a little bit still. So we went to a park in Miami. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it in the description box. It sounds hot. But it was really nice. Lots to see. Lots to chill spot. It was really nice. It was pretty. And yeah, we just hung out there a little bit. Florida sun is no. No, I'm not real. Look how me I sweat. Look how me I sweat. Me literally at out. Look how me I sweat. Boy, the Canadian I sweat, boy, the Canadian I out. Oh my god, it's so hot. I always say I want the heat, I love the heat, but this hotter than Satan's backside. Oh my god, it's a lot. But it's beautiful. We went for some ice cream and ended the day. $8, $9.
Not too bad.
We went to Sawgrass Mall, which is an outlet mall for those Canadians who watch, which is maybe like 2 people. Yeah, I know nobody watches my channel, but anyways, we check out some stores. We went to Target. We don't have Target in Canada. We had it for a short time, but apparently Canadians are not big on Target, so they close all the stores. And we did our little 1-2 in Target. We didn't buy anything. We just wanted to see what Target has to offer. And obviously there's more variety than what we have here in Canada in other stores that's similar to Target. But we had a fun time. It was good. Primark. We don't have Primark in Canada, so we had to go into that store to see what they're about. And then we went to Cheesecake Factory. We do have Cheesecake Factory in Canada, but it's almost impossible to get in. Every time you go, it's a massive lineup, and we don't want to be bothered with that. It's easier to get into Cheesecake Factory in the States than to get into Cheesecake Factory in Canada. Can you believe that? It's crazy.
Yeah, bro. So good. Oh my god, so good. This is compared to the one in Toronto. I have to get in this one easy when I'm in Florida. It's a cab right over. Let me see. This cab right over.
You see it?
Let me see a cab right over. Right thing I tell you. No, I'm gonna tell you. You like that? I trust me. Yeah.
Still too sweet. Oh my god, so sweet. Anyways, we had fun. We had a good time. Thank you for watching. Thank me for not cooking because I didn't cook. Keep watching, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mom and them. Stay true to yourself, be kind to everybody. Love you. Love you lots.